Here we go. So you dab it in there, and then dab it on that. There you go. And then, where are you going to start? The top? Oh, you're going to start on the letter. Whoop, 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 whoop. Where are you going? Right there. Ooh. So we're going to do all those all the way down. What are you two doing over there? Making so much noise. Yes, good grief. Okay, what's the next color?
Red.
Red. Okay. Is that red? Okay. Did you get glue on it? Oh, you did. Okay. Okay, and then what? Ooh. We're going to do the whole line all the way down. Cool. Okay. Ready, Freddie?
Orange.
Orange is next. Okay. Psst.
Love you.
Oh, beautiful. I love that face. That's a good face.